One more interesting sum, NC0 minus half into NC1 plus 1/3 into NC2 minus dotted plus minus 1 whole to the power n NCn by n plus 1. What is the value of this expression? We have given 4 options here. Now let us apply the previous trick. We assume here n equal to 2. N equal to 2. So only we focus on these 3 terms. So NC0, that is 2C0 minus half into 2C1 plus 1/3 into 2C2. The next term is 2C3, which is not valid, you know. So we get 2C0, that is 1 minus half, 2C1, that is 2 plus 1/3 into 2C2, that is 1. So we get here 1 minus 1 plus 1/3. So we get 1 by 3. Now putting n equal to 2, we get this option gives the value 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 3. Now so C is the right answer.